Hello, families. This is Meg Killingsworth, and today I want to show you some resources that you have at your fingertips with ClassLink and Itslearning. So I'm going to pretend that I am at home, and I'm going to log into our Forsyth County address. And then I like to put the slash in chastity to make it even faster and go right to our school. Today I want to show you ClassLink. So in the middle of the top of your screen, you're going to click on ClassLink and Itslearning. And I'm going to sign in with Kate, my first graders, information, because I want to show you the tools that each student has at their fingertips. So I'm logging in as Kate. And when I do, it pulls up her ClassLink, and these are all of the apps that she has at her fingertips. Lots of parents come in and they say they want their child to read at home, but they're out of material or haven't gotten to the library. And under ClassLink, we have so many resources, including book flicks and science flicks, study weekly, true flicks. All of those are right there at your child's fingertips, and all you have to do is sign in as them, and then they can click on one of those apps and pull up material that they really enjoy reading. So if you're finding that reading's a little bit of a struggle at home, that is just a really great tool to have. The other one that we were talking a lot about is Myon. And with Myon, once you're signed in under ClassLink, you can click there. Myon gives kids a little quiz to find out their interest levels. You can see that Kate is very interested right now in haunted places. I think she might have Halloween on her mind. And so she's taken a quiz to find out what she's interested in and also her reading level. So at your child's fingertips, you have thousands and thousands of books in here under Myon that your child can be reading. So it's pretty exciting. Sometimes my girls get tired of the material that we have at home, and maybe we can't get to the library or they didn't go to the library, and then they can pull up a book that they're interested in right here. And one thing that we're finding is when kids have the choice about what they read, it makes reading a whole lot more fun. So those tools are under ClassLink. Pretty much a lot of these they can get into without another password. We've got typing programs. I hear a lot from families that their kids need some help with typing. That is on there. If they like to type and work with Google Drive with making slides, they can click on that app, and they have their own account set up where they can make documents, and you can also click and look and see what is in their folder. So that actually pulled my folder up, but your child has their own Google Drive too. So lots of you have said that you could use some help with Itslearning. So I'm going to click on Itslearning. And really, Itslearning is just another tool that we have at our fingertips to communicate with you. So you get probably a newsletter, you might get Remind. We do a lot of Facebook posts through the school. This is another tool that teachers can use to communicate with their classes' families. So if you go up here to the courses and you click courses, the teachers that are tied to your child, anybody who teaches your child is in this list. So if your child went to EIP or gifted, those teachers would be listed. If your child got ESOL support, that teacher would be listed. Kate is in Ms. Nozilik's class, so it will always say conduct before the homeroom teacher, and that's how you know that's the homeroom class. So when I click there, then I can see anything that her teacher has posted. Some teachers post the newsletter here, others send a hard copy of the newsletter. So it's just great to know what's there and how to click around and kind of find things. If I'd like to know more specific of what my child is learning, I can click on plans. When I do, something there may not be anything that comes up. And what you may have to do is click right here on this arrow to change it to the dates that you're looking for. So initially, when I clicked on this the first time, this is what came up. So you've got to be careful and just click and change it to like the past 2 weeks or all past. And then you can click through and you can see everything that that class has been learning. The specials teachers are similar, where if you go to courses and you want to know what they're doing in music, you can click on Miss Roper's plans and click on past, and you can see exactly what has been going on there. I'm going to go to another teacher. Let's go to Miss Hubbard, and let's see if she's got some things posted. So there it's on all past, and there she shows you what she's been working on right here with Kate's class. So lots of good resources. When we have those inclement weather days, this is where you want to go. The conduct page for those snow day plans, and then whichever special, we assign a couple specials for the first inclement weather day, and then if we have another one, we'll assign the rest. Then you go into those specials class and they'll have assignments there also so that your child can continue learning right from home. If you go down to resources, you can see any resources that the teacher has posted. And I'm going to go back to Ms. Nizelek and see her resources, because then I can see, ooh, we're working on numbers and data. I can click there and I can see what she has posted in order to help with that. So all sorts of good materials in Itslearning. Like I said, it's just another great tool for you to have at your fingertips to know what's going on. As the year comes on, goes on, if you want to know more about Itslearning or how to manage it, shoot me an email, because these videos are a great way to get out that information to a lot of people all at once. So lots of things at your fingertips right there in ClassLink. Lots of things that you could log in and get into with your child right there at home. I hope that's helpful, and you let me know if there are more videos that you need and more help, and we will go from there. Thanks so much, everybody. See you soon.